What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to center all your text in Google Sheets at once and also center all your future text on Google Sheets. So this is actually pretty simple. All you're going to do is you're going to hit Control A, and that's going to select your entire sheet. As you can see, it's all highlighted. And then you're going to go to this top toolbar right here, and you're going to see these 4 lines, and this will change the alignment. So you're going to left click to bring down the drop down menu, and then you want the one in the middle that's labeled center. And then as you can see, all my text here gets centered, and then all the future text that I have in here will also get centered right away. Anywhere you type, it'll get centered. If you did find this tutorial helpful today, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks, and check out our other videos, linked in the description.